commitment to climate action, enshrined in the Paris Agreement, demands accountability. For Uganda, achieving its National Determined Contribution (NDC) requires a foundation of rigorous data and unwavering transparency. This is the story of how the Capacity Building Initiative for Transparency (CBIT) empowered a nation to build that foundation.
This is a hands-on project that is aiming at building capacity and equipping Ugandans with the skills to improve actually the greenhouse gas data collection and also enhance transparency in reporting when it comes to climate change. It is also intended to strengthen the institutional collaboration, which has improved Uganda's tracking on our commitments, such as the National Determined Contribution, the NDC targets.
The execution of CBIT Uganda is unique. It's a novel partnership where the Africa Innovations Institute, a non-governmental organization, implements the project on behalf of the government, a model of collaboration that has become key to its success.
Most of the CBIT projects implemented in Africa, actually even more or less globally, ours is the unique arrangement for delivery. Many of those projects are implemented by the government themselves. But this particular one, I mentioned earlier that we are an NGO and we are implementing CBIT on behalf of government, and government is okay with it.
Just as this complex project began its most technical phase, the world changed. The COVID-19 lockdown posed an existential threat to a project built on hands-on, in-person training.
As we were just starting the actual business of a complicated technical training, the greenhouse gas inventory training, we got COVID lockdown. By then, we hadn't yet known that you can actually conduct a training online. So CBIT Uganda Project was the first classroom to have Zoom training. And I think we've learned so much working remotely, and it opens opportunity for training a lot of people.
But we came out top of the 96 countries involved. So I think I also want to say thank you to the team because they really excelled.
This newfound expertise created a ripple effect, catapulting individuals from local implementers to international experts, shaping global policy.
My story started with CBIT Project when they sponsored me to attend COP25 in Spain then. It is from then that my capacity was built. Because of that, FAO added on what I had developed from COP25 and trained me as a negotiator. I'm now an international person because I attend all the COPs, I sit and talk for my country and for my sector as a whole. I appreciate CBIT 1 and the CBIT 2 project with the Africa Innovation Institute, Ministry of Water and Environment, and Conservation International for all this, because without them, I wouldn't be where I am.
Because of that knowledge, as an individual, I gained the confidence because now I realize that I have some knowledge. So I went on to enroll for the UNFCCC series of trainings. And as we talk now, I'm a certified technical expert reviewer of the UNFCCC. I had long stopped studying. When I realized that I had gained some good knowledge, I said, now why don't I proceed and do a PhD in climate change?
The project's greatest systemic impact was transforming the institutional landscape. By bringing together multiple ministries, departments, agencies, and non-state actors, Uganda moved from a fragmented approach to a collaborative framework.
One of the best examples I can have, because it is bringing us away from what we used to do before. We call it working in silos. Each institution working on their own, but when you try to bring the information together, it does not match. So we are now able to harmonize and make sure that when we report, the information is accurate and informative. both national and at international levels.
There's been a lot of experience, first collaboration with other ministry departments. Until CBIT came on board, I didn't know that there was a CCD department, climate change department at the Ministry of Water and Environment.
Beyond collaboration, the project's core mission was to improve the quality of data. This meant moving from generic Tier 1 default estimates to specific Tier 2 data that reflects Uganda's unique national circumstances.
In CBIT 1, we were using what we call default factors, but in CBIT 2, we are going to generate what we call country-specific emission factors. And so we are going to report more accurately after CBIT 2 compared to CBIT 1.
In the past, our collaboration with the Ministry of Water and Environment was limited. The Ministry of Water and Environment would then get consultants who would go and collect, some experts' data. With the onboarding of this project, the CBIT, the Capacity Building Initiative for Transparency, our capacities have been built to have then the technical skills and the infrastructure and the software to then do the reporting to the Ministry of Water and Environment.
The ultimate measure of CBIT's success is its sustainability. The project's architecture is now codified in law, integrated into the national budgeting cycle, and serving as a model for other nations, securing its legacy for decades to come.
We based on that project information data to develop the policy, the act of the climate change, and also regulations. And we are very proud about this project because of what they have left as a legacy.
Government will also now reduce reliance on consultants because we have the 80 trained experts who are in the country and they are across all sectors. We are all aware government is now adopted the tagging of climate change into the national budget. The CBIT Uganda project stands out on 3 grounds. One, there is a very strong emphasis on gender mainstreaming and multi-stakeholder engagements.
We are moving into a greenhouse gas center for Uganda. And maybe we can expand it to cover the Eastern African region. What we intend to do are basically three things. We are going to set up a laboratory for measuring greenhouse gases. And we want not only to stop in Uganda, but to expand to the rest of Eastern Africa.
From a state of data gaps to becoming a regional leader, from isolated silos to a unified national framework, the CBIT Uganda project has not just built a reporting system, it has secured a transparent, accountable, and sustainable future. The Capacity Building Initiative for Transparency Uganda project, implemented by the Ministry of Water and Environment through the Climate Change Department in partnership with the Africa Innovations Institute with funding from the Global Environment Facility through Conservation International.